Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. There are moments in life when everything feels like it is falling apart. You make plans with excitement in your heart. You dream about a future you desperately want. You pray for something over and over again, believing it will finally happen. And then suddenly, the door closes. The opportunity disappears. The relationship breaks. The answer you hoped for never arrives. And in those painful moments, many people begin to wonder why Allah allowed it to happen. They begin to question their worth, their future, and sometimes even their faith. But what we fail to realize is that Allah does not take away something without purpose. Every delay carries wisdom. Every closed door hides protection. Every hardship contains a lesson your soul desperately needs. The problem is that we only see the present moment, while Allah sees the entire picture. We judge situations based on emotion, but Allah controls life with perfect knowledge and perfect mercy. You may cry today over something you lost, but tomorrow you may thank Allah for removing it from your path. How many times have we wanted something so badly, only to later discover it would have destroyed our peace? How many people entered our lives looking beautiful at first, but later became the source of pain and heartbreak? Allah knew what you did not know. And because He loves you more than anyone else ever could, He redirected your life. Acceptance of Allah's plan is not weakness. It is one of the strongest forms of faith. It means trusting Allah even when you do not understand. It means believing that His wisdom is greater than your desires. Anyone can trust Allah when life is easy, but true faith appears when life becomes difficult. True faith appears when tears fall from your eyes, but your heart still says, Ya Allah, I trust you. That sentence alone can change your entire life. Many people are exhausted because they are fighting battles Allah never wanted them to fight. They are chasing things Allah removed from their destiny. They are forcing doors open that Allah already closed for their protection. And because of this, their hearts remain restless. But the moment you surrender sincerely to Allah's will, something beautiful happens inside you. Your heart becomes lighter. Your soul becomes calmer. You stop obsessing over what was lost because you begin believing that what Allah chooses for you is always better than what you choose for yourself. Sometimes Allah delays your dreams because He is preparing you. Sometimes He removes people from your life because they would have harmed your future. Sometimes He makes you wait because your heart needs growth before receiving the blessing. And sometimes the pain itself is what brings you closer to Him. The hardship you hate today may become the reason you pray more sincerely, trust more deeply, and transform into a stronger believer tomorrow. Allah's plan is never late. It is never careless. It is never cruel. Even when life feels confusing, Allah is still guiding every step. A believer understands that this dunya was never meant to be perfect. There will be heartbreak. There will be losses. There will be moments when nothing makes sense. But through all of it, Allah remains in control. And the one who trusts Allah is never truly lost. You must remember that acceptance does not mean you stop making effort. It does not mean you stop dreaming or stop praying. It means after doing your best, you leave the outcome in the hands of Allah without bitterness in your heart. You continue walking forward knowing, or when you NG, that whatever reaches you was written for you and whatever misses you was never meant for you. This mindset protects your heart from endless regret and anxiety. There are people today carrying pain from years ago because they still have not accepted Allah's decree. They are still asking, why me? Instead of saying, Ya Allah, help me understand the wisdom behind this. The moment you change your perspective, your healing begins. Because peace does not come from getting everything you want. Real peace comes from trusting the one who controls everything. Or there are moments in life when disappointment feels so heavy that it almost breaks the heart. You work hard for something, you pray for it constantly, you imagine your future around it. And deep inside you become convinced that this one thing will finally bring happiness into your life. But then suddenly everything changes. The door closes without warning. The opportunity disappears. The relationship ends. The plan fails. And in those painful moments it becomes very difficult to understand why Allah allowed it to happen. Human beings naturally become attached to what they desire, and when those desires are taken away, the pain can feel unbearable. But what many people fail to realize is that Allah sees what we cannot see. What appears to us as a loss may actually be one of the greatest blessings Allah ever placed in our lives. Sometimes the greatest blessing does not come wrapped in comfort or ease. Sometimes it comes hidden inside heartbreak, delay, rejection, and pain. A person may cry for years over something they lost, only to later realize that if Allah had given it to them, it would have destroyed their peace, damaged their future, or taken them far away from Him. This is why trust in Allah is so important. We only see the surface of life, but Allah sees every consequence, every hidden danger, every unseen future. His knowledge has no limits, while ours is extremely small. We judge situations based on emotions and temporary feelings, but Allah's decisions are based on perfect wisdom and mercy. There are people who begged Allah for certain relationships, believing they had finally found happiness. They ignored every warning sign because their emotions blinded them. But when that relationship ended, they felt shattered. They cried at night asking Allah why their heart had to suffer so much pain. Yet years later, many of them realized that Allah was actually protecting them. The same person they once cried over may have become toxic, dishonest, harmful, or destructive. Had Allah allowed that relationship to continue, it could have ruined their peace completely. But in the moment of heartbreak, they could not understand it. This is how life often works. We only understand certain blessings after surviving the pain that delivered them. The same happens with opportunities and dreams. Sometimes you work incredibly hard for a job, a business, or a plan that you believe will change your life forever. You imagine success, comfort, and happiness coming through that one door. But despite all your efforts, the opportunity disappears. Another person gets chosen. The business fails. The plan collapses. And your heart feels defeated because you cannot understand why Allah allowed it to happen after all your effort and prayers. Yet later in life you may discover that the path you desperately wanted would have brought stress, corruption, anxiety, or destruction into your life. Allah redirected you not because He wanted to hurt you, but because He wanted something better for you, even if you could not see it at the time. Human beings often think blessings only come in the form of receiving what they want. But sometimes the greatest blessing is actually being prevented from getting what you wanted. Allah protects His servants in ways they cannot even imagine. There are dangers you never saw, problems you never knew existed, and disasters Allah removed from your path without you realizing it. Imagine how many times Allah saved you from situations that would have damaged your heart, your future, or your faith. Yet because human beings are emotional, focus only on what they lost instead of what Allah protected them from. This world was never designed to give us everything we desire. If every wish of the human heart was fulfilled instantly, many people would unknowingly walk straight into destruction. That is why Allah sometimes delays things, removes things, or changes our direction completely. And although it hurts in the moment, those painful moments often shape us into stronger, wiser, and more faithful people. Some of the people closest to Allah became closer to Him through hardship, not comfort. Pain has a strange way of awakening the soul. When life becomes difficult, people begin praying more sincerely. They become softer, humbler, and more aware of their dependence on Allah. Sometimes the hardship itself becomes the reason a person's heart returns to Allah after years of distance. One of the most beautiful things about trusting Allah's plan is understanding that His mercy is not always obvious immediately. Sometimes years pass before a person finally realizes why certain events happened in their life. At first they only saw pain, but later they saw wisdom. At first they only saw rejection, but later they saw section. At first, they only saw loss, but later they understood that Allah was guiding them towards something far better. This realization changes the heart completely because it teaches a person that Allah never abandons His servants, even in their darkest moments. A believer learns to stop measuring life only through immediate emotions. Just because something hurts does not mean it is bad for you. And just because something feels good does not mean it is beneficial for you. Human understanding is limited, but Allah's wisdom covers everything. There are things you cry for today that you may later thank Allah for removing. And there are delays that feel painful now, but are secretly preparing you for a future blessing you are not ready for yet. The heart finds peace when it truly accepts that Allah's decisions are always better than personal desires. This does not mean life suddenly becomes easy. It means the believer stops fighting Allah's decree emotionally. Instead of constantly asking, why is this happening to me? The believer begins asking, what is Allah teaching me through this? That shift in perspective changes everything. It transforms pain into growth, hardship into wisdom, and loss into spiritual strength. Sometimes Allah breaks your plans because your plans would have broken you. Sometimes He removes certain people because they would have led your heart away from goodness. Sometimes He delays your success because your character still needs development. And sometimes He allows pain to touch your life because He wants to purify your soul and bring you closer to Him. Every moment has wisdom behind it, even when the human mind struggles to understand. Many people spend years angry over things that were never meant for them. They carry bitterness inside their hearts because life did not unfold exactly the way they imagined. But true peace comes when a person finally accepts that Allah's wisdom is greater than human understanding. The believer continues making effort, continues praying, continues hoping for good, but leaves the final outcome in the hands of Allah without resentment. That is real trust. And once a person reaches that level of trust, life begins to feel different. The heart becomes calmer because it no longer depends completely on temporary things. Instead, it depends on Allah, the one who never fails, never abandons, and never makes mistakes. Oh, there comes a moment in life when a person becomes emotionally exhausted from trying to control everything. The mind keeps overthinking every problem, every delay, every disappointment, and every unanswered prayer. A person may spend nights wondering why life is not going according to plan. They question why certain doors remain closed despite all their effort. They wonder why some people walked away even after promises were made. They wonder why certain dreams seem so close one day and disappear the next. In these moments, the heart becomes heavy because it is desperately searching for answers. But something beautiful begins to happen the moment a person stops fighting Allah's plan and starts trusting His wisdom. Even before the situation changes, the heart itself begins to change. Peace slowly enters the soul because trust in Allah has the power to calm storms that circumstances cannot. Many people believe peace only comes when problems disappear. They think happiness will finally arrive once they get the job they want, the relationship they desire, the money they need, or the future they imagined. But real peace does not come from controlling life perfectly. Real peace comes from, or when you am trusting the one who controls life perfectly. This is why two people can face the exact same hardship, yet one falls apart while the other remains calm. The difference is not always the difficulty itself. The difference is the level of trust inside the heart. When someone truly believes that Allah's wisdom is greater than human understanding, they stop carrying unnecessary emotional burdens. They stop believing every delay is punishment. They stop seeing every rejection as failure. Instead, they begin understanding that Allah's plan is unfolding in ways they cannot yet see. This mindset changes the way a person experiences hardship. The pain may still exist, but hopelessness begins to disappear because the believer knows Allah never allows anything without purpose. There are times when life feels confusing because events happen in ways we never expected. You may pray sincerely for something and still not receive it. You may try your hardest and still watch your plans collapse. You may treat people kindly and still experience betrayal. These moments can either weaken faith or strengthen it depending on how a person responds. Some people allow hardship to fill their hearts with anger, awe, and resentment, while others allow hardship to bring them closer to Allah. The second type of person begins to understand that trust in Allah is not built during easy days. It is built during painful moments when nothing makes sense. Yet the heart still says, Ya Allah, I know you are guiding me. One of the greatest struggles human beings face is the desire to understand everything immediately. People want instant explanations for every hardship. They want clear reasons for every delay. But life does not always work that way. Allah sometimes reveals wisdom slowly over time. A painful chapter today may only make sense years later. There are people who once cried endlessly over opportunities they lost, only to later thank Allah for protecting them from those very things. There are people who begged Allah for relationships that eventually would have destroyed them emotionally. At the time, they could not understand why Allah removed those people from their lives. But later they realized Allah was saving them from greater pain. The human heart often becomes attached to temporary things and forgets that Allah sees beyond the present moment. We become emotional over what we want now, knows what will benefit us in the future. This is why trusting Allah requires humility. It requires accepting that human knowledge is limited while Allah's wisdom is complete. The believer learns to say, even if I do not understand this moment, I trust that Allah understands what is best for me. This trust changes the heart in incredible ways. Anxiety begins to lose its power because the believer stops trying to carry the future alone. Fear becomes smaller because the heart knows Allah is in control of every situation. Regret becomes lighter because the believer understands that what was missed them was never written for them in the first place. This does not mean pain disappears overnight. It means pain no longer destroys the soul completely because trust in Allah creates emotional stability even during hardship. Sometimes Allah delays blessings because He is preparing the person emotionally, spiritually, or mentally. Imagine receiving certain blessings before developing the maturity to handle them properly. Sometimes what feels like delay is actually preparation. Allah may be teaching patience, strengthening character, or protecting a person from arrogance before giving. Give them what they desire. But human beings often become impatient because they only focus on timing from their own perspective. There is also deep beauty in understanding that Allah listens even when the answer is not immediate. Every prayer is heard. Every tear is seen. Every painful thought inside the heart is known by Allah completely. Sometimes the answer comes quickly. Sometimes it comes slowly. Sometimes Allah gives exactly what was requested, and sometimes He gives something entirely different because He knows what the servant truly needs. Trust means believing that Allah's response is always rooted in mercy, even when it does not match personal expectations. A person who trusts Allah deeply begins to experience life differently. They still feel sadness, but they are not destroyed by sadness. They still face hardships, but they are not consumed by hopelessness. They still cry, but inside those tears is belief that Allah's help will come at the right time. This kind of faith creates strength that cannot be explained through worldly logic alone. It gives the believer the ability to survive emotional pain without losing themselves completely. Sometimes the biggest transformation in life happens not when circumstances improve, but when the heart itself learns surrender. The moment a person stops constantly asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and starts saying, "Ya Allah, help me trust your plan," peace slowly begins entering the soul. Even before solutions arrive, the heart feels lighter because it no longer depends entirely on temporary outcomes for happiness. Many people today are emotionally exhausted because they are trying to control things that were never under their control to begin with. They are chasing certainty in a world that constantly changes. But certainty is only found with Allah. The believer understands that people may disappoint, plans may fail, and life may become difficult, but Allah remains constant through every season of life. His mercy never disappears. His wisdom never fails. His plan never contains mistakes. And when a person truly understands this, they begin living with a calmer heart. They continue making effort, continue praying, continue working toward their goals, but they stop allowing fear and disappointment to completely consume them. They know that whatever Allah chooses will ultimately contain goodness, even if that goodness is hidden at first. Slowly, trust replaces panic, gratitude replaces bitterness, patience replaces frustration. And the soul finally begins to experience the peace that comes from surrendering completely to Allah's wisdom. Subscribe this channel for more reminders that strengthen your heart and bring you closer to Allah.